Hey guys, greetings from Bristol, Connecticut. Here we are right in the middle of a blizzard and I'm about to go out. Instead of going to bed like I should, I'm actually gonna go and dig out my car. Hopefully this should be enough. If not, I'm in trouble. We'll see how things are up there. I haven't been out there since 6 p.m. So it's been 4 hours, 5 hours. So let's take a look, shall we? Yeah, this is gonna be like a first-person shooter is after we're gonna be digging out snow. So let's see. I know it's dark. Wait for me to go outside. Let's see. Okay. Right. Oh man. Alright, how the hell the snow made it into the middle of the... Okay, whatever. Let's take a look how my car looks like. Oh god in heaven. Alright, the snow actually hurts. It's like the type of snow that actually gets in your skin and burns. But that's alright. Okay, oh shit. Nice. Oh god. Alright, hopefully my camera is going to survive. This is supposed to be a weatherproof... Oh shit. Damn it. What the hell was I thinking? Okay, here's my car. Actually, what the hell? It's not as bad as I expected. Oh, okay, well, it's not that bad. Let me just go like this. Oh shit. I'm a total idiot. What am I doing wasting my time? Holy shit. Alright. Here's my... Oh, whatever. Let's just start this. This will turn into hard ice by tomorrow morning, and then they're gonna have hard ice and then fresh snow on top of it. So maybe if I do this, it may help a little. Am I even cleaning my own car? Yes, it is my car. Oh man, my knee. Shit. Okay. Oh my. It's bad, it's bad, it's actually bad. It's under... Fuck this, I'm out of here. Yeah, brave guy, good luck. Oh shit, this sucks. Oh, damn it. Oh crap. I lost my hoodie. Alright, fuck this now. I had enough. And that completes my attempt to clean up my car.